Okay, chilling grade to level 50. What? Selena is evolving. Congratulations, your Selena evolved into an Tentacruel. How is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Blazing Emerald. In the last episode, we came to this town, defeated Winona, and yeah. So off screen, I grinded everybody. So Onyx will evolve in the next level. So it evolves normally at level 48. Chinchou evolves with a dusk stone. So let me find a dusk stone. I don't know where to get it, but let me see if I have a dusk stone. A sunstone. No, I don't have a dusk stone. Yeah. Okay, we have to move out to Mount Pyre. Oh, what? Onyx is evolving. Congratulations, your Onyx evolved into Chrysalic. Okay, nice. Cloudburst allows a powerful attack but harshly does special attack. Now, oh, there is a name writer in this town. I'm gonna name these guys. Oh yeah, I messed up. The name writer is not in this town. I don't know where he is. Okay. Okay. Bye bye Tropius. Bye bye Pelipper. Bye bye Ludicolo. Bye bye Charizard. I remember the battle I had with you on Route 13. Okay. So let's see if I can get the down dusk stone here. Yeah, I am Mr. Dum Dum. I forgot that we have the name writer in Slate Port, not Lilico. So yeah, let's name some of our Pokemon. I don't know how many of you remember Gyro. It's a coincidence that whenever I get a Skarmory, I want to name it Falcon, but both of the times in both of my playthroughs, being Mythic Legends and Blazing Emerald, it is a female. I don't know why. So what should I name this? Chinchou. Okay, Rude. Off to Mount Pyre we go. Mount Pyre. Okay, we got the dusk stone. So let's evolve our Rude. What? Rude is evolving? Congratulations, your road evolved into a lantern. Is that a shiny? No way that is a shiny. There's no way these guys have a shiny. Yeah, they have a shiny. What? Okay, they have shinies. Then. Oh, shit. We are not that I think we are. Shit, we are not poison anymore. Moonracer on that, Thunderbolt on that. I know Selena is a physical attacker. Tigmac Maxi got ahead of us, but we also got what we wanted. The radar preserved at Mount Pyre. Archie, now have it in my possession. Now can bring our ultimate objects to fruition. Okay, team, we are pulling out. Okay. Magma emblem. Okay. No. Yes, we got the rare candy. Oh, this board is shaking in response to the magma emblem. Yeah, I know that they would live here. You gotta be kidding with me, right? Why do all of you have shinies? And you too? Yeah. Hold it right there. So the kids who've been causing trouble for our boss, huh? Well, you made it this far. So I'll tell you. That's right. Up ahead, Groudon is sleeping. Maxi went to Groudon just seconds ago. It's going to awaken real soon. It's a shame you won't get to see it for yourself. Tabitha, you are a boss apparently. Bye. Hi. Bye. Bye. Yeah, Selena just swept you. Heck done, huh? While you wasted time with me, Max, you should have awakened Groudon. Run away while you can. You don't stand a chance against our boss. Oh, I don't know this part. Groudon, nothing could awaken from you from your sleeping bathed in magma. This blue orb is what you shot, wasn't it? I thought I have brought you the blue orb. Let it shine awaken you and show me the full extent of your power. Groudon, what's wrong? Wasn't the blue orb Dicky? Groudon, where have you gone? So it was you. I've seen you poking around uninvited here and there. I get it now. You must have pulled a cheap stunt. No, Maxi. Bye. Or soaring. Camera up to bye. You have a Typhlosion. I respect for you that. Because Typhlosion is my favorite Pokemon. But even if you have my favorite Pokemon, I won't have sympathy on you. There has to be some reason why Groudon fled. That's right. That's what you're trying to say, aren't you? You think I didn't know what? With Groudon gone, there's no longer any need for this blasted volcano. I'm going after Groudon, so this is the part. Okay. Lot of star pieces. Thank you for the escape. Where is this escape rope? Yeah. So yeah. Now we have to fly to somewhere. Okay. This is Slateboard City. Oh shit. Yes, indeed. We intended to. Okay. You just have first on the dialogues. So. Oh, their expressions are good though. Okay, they've just fled. I have to chase them. So I have to go to their base. So let's fly to Lily Cove again. Got already? Did you? We underestimated you, okay? Where are all the laughing? Delmice, try attack. Bye Delmice. You're gone. Swampert. Oh no. Oh no. Swampert is gone. Hey, so I lost 2. Okay. Tabitha is really bad. Okay, Moss Deep City looks really nice and cool. Wow, Moss Deep City really looks cool. Cool, not school. Okay, let's take on this gym then. Pretty excited. So okay, let's go into this gym. I already took on all the trainers. So let's go this way. And yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay, we are at Tate and Lizana. Okay, let's save the game, and I'll see when I save the game. So we have two Pokemon that are super effective against the gym leader, but I want to be this to be hard. Hey, were you surprised that the two gym leaders were friends? We don't need to talk because we can determine that the other is thinking all our minds, the combination of ours. Can you beat it? Okay. Tate and Liza, Grumpy and Hypno, you pigs. Earth power. Okay. Earth power. So this Cheelix is a special attacker in this game, and I love that. So let's crystallize it. Okay, this got really hard in a fraction of seconds. Okay, crystallized. Double battle suck in game. Okay, before in the confusion. Solra, yeah. What? It has drought. Okay, let's T-Bolt. And this thing only has drought, so no. And Selena, no Selena. But we defeated them pretty easy. They don't have guard or gullet. But our combination was shattered. Yes, I can be help. You won. So in recognition, take this. Okay, we received the mind badge. Okay, we got TMO4, which is calm mind. I don't know if I'm gonna use that in this game. I abused the hell out of in my normal Emerald playthrough with my Gardevoir, which I swept the champion with. Spoilers. Yeah. And yeah, that's the episode for you guys. Also, guys, in the next episode, let's go on Blizz Emerald.
ਗੱਡੀ ਲੈਂਬਗੀਨੀ ਪੀਲੇ ਰੰਗ ਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਚਲਾਵੇ ਸਲੋਲੀ ਉਹ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਗੇਰ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੋੜਦੀ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਨੀ ਏ